हेलो वेलकम बैक वंस अगेन। अपन कस्टमर मैनेजमेंट प्रोजेक्ट बना रहे थे। बिल्कुल 4 APIs अपन ने बना ली थी। क्रिएट की, गेट की, और गेट ऑल, डिलीट ऑल। पुट मैपिंग रह गई थी। तो अब हम काम करते हैं पुट मैपिंग पर। ठीक है, चलते हैं यहाँ पर। जस्ट सी है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विद द हेल्प ऑफ ID we can get like old uh, old customer. Okay, so first of all, I find YID. It will gives the optional. Okay, so if old customer, okay, then we can, if old customer present, then we can like update the value. Okay, so first of all, we have a old customer, then old customer dot get dot set, like old customer dot get dot set, set name, and set name is coming from the this new customer, that is from the request body, like get name is here. Okay, similarly we can update all the fields. So just like customer, okay, old customer dot get dot set activity. So just customer dot get activity. Okay, now we can also change the number. Old customer dot get dot set, no, not activity, sorry for that. So we have to like set the contact also similarly. Okay, so customer dot get contact. Okay, so all these fields can be updated one by one by the with the help of port mapping methods. So now just let's save this old customer into the repo. So custom repository dot save, then old customer dot get. Okay, and return its old customer. ठीक, now it's good. Old customer dot get, because it gives optional. Okay, it's working fine. And comes to controller, just write a port mapping here. So first of all, PUT providing the URL. Okay, so for slash update slash path variable, we have to give ID. That's fine. Yeah. Okay, so public customer update customer. So in path variable, we have to take ID, and at the request ID, we have sending the customer. CUSTU, and yeah. Okay, it's fine. Import put mapping. So first of all, with the help of like service, we can call our method dot update customer. Okay, so it will return customer, updated customer, and return the same update a customer to the client. So our client is like postman. Okay, now save it and run the program. See, logs are here. You can see the logs. So all things good. Is started Tomcat code 8080. Okay, just go the postman. First, we get all the data. Okay, so with the help of get all, we can get all the data here. Okay, so now we can update the value. We can update the like second customer. Okay, like second ID. This is Aman and contact number is purchasing AC. So we want to update the price of like 35,000 to 40,000. Okay, so we go here, we give here like two. So like name Aman and contact we give this. Okay, contact this and this purchasing AC. AC, ठीक है. This will good. Yes, URL. Okay, we got it. Now we also update the third customer. ठीक है. Third customer we give name here Arun and it is purchasing car. Okay, so we updated the two customers. So just see all the customers. Ashish, Aman, see Arun is also there purchasing car and we update the Aman also contact number purchase address. So we can also update any of the things. Our code is working fine. Now let's move to the response entity. We have to customize our response to the users. Okay, here we are taking the simple response like every time we get 200. Okay, okay, if we are like getting all the things we get 200, or if we want to create things we get a 200. Okay, so for like giving the name is like X, contact number is like 4098890. Activity is like it is purchasing something, purchasing mobile. Okay, so we get a 200 output. Okay, 200 status this. So we want to change it with the help of response entity. Okay, if we want to delete something we also get 200. So let's customize this HTTP. So with the help of like response entity we can do that. Just wrap the customer into the response entity. Okay, just import it, control shift O, shortcut key for the Eclipse to import the packages. Okay, got it. So just for the returning, like we have to return the response entity. Okay, so let's first assign it into the variable. ठीक है, create customer. Now return. Okay, new response entity. Customer is there. So customer for create customer. Now HTTP status dot created because it is created method. So we have a lots of status method. Okay, so for like get is here. For the get, like we have to give 200. Okay, first assign it customer. Okay, now return new response entity, or we can also do it this dot. Okay, body we can say customer. Okay, so we want to like list of all the customers. So here response entity. Okay, same. Just return, remove the return, assign the value, then return with the help of response entity, and send a status also. Okay, return, like we can copy this, okay, because then get, we are like getting the all the things, and we know the status is 200 for the get purpose. Okay, for the deleting we can return like string is there. Okay, so response, so it's a string. Okay, so it's like return, uh we can like new, return new entity, a string is there, and with the help of this we can assign the code also. For the like delete we can use not found, because no content is there, or it's deleted. We can like to not found 404 we can return. Okay, we can also no content because it's deleted. Okay, now for the port mapping. Hmm, for port mapping, like okay, we can return the okay. Okay, so just response entity, oh sorry, so we can also do that. Customer, now let's dot created is not there, dot okay we can say. Okay, oh sorry, I forgot to write new keyword. Is there a spelling mistake? RESPONSE, we can do that. Okay, it's good. So let's check all the endpoints what we get in the HTTP methods. So first of all, just get all the things. So for get we know okay is there. Okay, for get like update. Sorry, get ID is okay there. Okay, so for like we have to create it. So we want 201 here. So like we give like m name, contact we want to give 890,098, and he is like purchasing like fridge or AC he can purchase, or he can purchase car, what, purchasing books. Okay, so what we get, 201, it's created. Now it's working fine. For update we want to like update, we get 201, like for which ID Arun is there. So for like I am changing its purchasing car. Now Arun is again purchasing some more things. He is purchasing like a motorcycle. He is rich man. Oh no, he is purchasing motorcycle also. Okay, so we got 200 here. Now let's check delete. So first let's duplicate entry here. So I am giving the like M7. Let's delete its 7 entity. So where is delete? This one. So we delete what we get. We get 204. 204 no content. Okay, so why we not get the delta delete successfully? Hmm. Mm, something is going. Response entity status. So yeah, we don't get no content. There's no content to send for this as of the header. Okay, we can change its not found. Let's check. Let's create another. This time ID 8 and delete this ID. I want message printing here with the help of strings. Oh, that's got it. Data read successfully message and 404 not found because the data is deleted. So okay, so you got the right. We are working on the responsibility fine. And in the next video, we are covering the difference between put and patch mapping. So put basically used for the overall updation. Like if you want to update the one thing, we have to write all the fields here. We have to like all the payloads here. Like we are if we are updating the name, then we have to write these two things also. So this will irritates. So the patch is introduced to like the partial update. We can give the one fields or two fields or more two fields also. So in the next video we have to watch the difference between the patch and put mapping, and also cover the exception handling is also there. So the exception part is also left. So after the put and patch difference, we cover the video in the it will whole cover the exception handling. So okay, so we have to like four part is coming. So for thank you for watching and have a good day.